Well, hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP, and today we are back with yet another new module for your Odoo database. Well, this module is called Send Voice Message, and it would allow you to send voice recordings and voice notes in the chatter. You can buy the app from the Odoo App Store and install it. It doesn't require any extra configuration. And without any further ado, let me head right into the video and show you how it actually works. So let's say I'm going to the sales order, and in here in the chatter I want to add a voice note. So first I'll have to give it a permission that it can access my mic. Now I'll have to press this button and keep it pressed in order to record my message. Testing 1 2 3 4. Now I have the message. I can either choose to delete it or play it. Testing 1 2 3 4. Download it or simply send it, and it will be added in the chatter. So it is now so easy to record urgent and quick voice notes and voice recordings and keep it in the chatter. You can then download it, delete it, edit it as per your requirement. This would allow a very smooth and barrier-free conversation within your organization, and you can buy the app from the Odoo App Store. And if you like our video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're going to come up with many more videos where we're going to tell you how we have come up with many new modules which would make it easy for you to use your Odoo database to its maximum benefit. Thank you.